Welcome everyone, welcome back to this amazing new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover and thank you once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here on the channel. Guys, today I'm quickly going to give an update on the market and let's get right into the video. So if you're enjoying these videos, guys, make sure to right away smash up these likes. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions for me as well here. So yeah, let's go into the charts. So first up, I will be starting off with Bitcoin. If I look to Bitcoin currently, you can see Bitcoin trading around the 58.2k still. Yesterday evening, yeah, we were seeing some multiple wicks here. We're once again seeing consolidation. And if I remove this EMA ribbon, guys, you can see on the 4-hourly EMA, and the 4-hourly EMA is a very important indicator right away going into this. So 4-hourly EMA right now providing us resistance because we're trading below the EMA ribbon. So this is of course interesting what we are going to see here. Are we going to see a supportive bounce to the upside or are we going to see a rejection? Because right now Bitcoin is in decision time, but I mean, I still feel bullish on the market. I also have some other things that I do want to be discussing, but these important things about on-chain data, I will be discussing them later today in the live stream, because later today, of course, doing also another live stream. So if I look to Bitcoin currently, you can see on the 4-hour, we are creating a very nice symmetrical triangle, guys. And this symmetrical triangle can be pushing us both to the upside or to the downside. And this is a pattern that you should be trading on the breakout. Of course, we want to be looking for breakout patterns. We want to be looking for trade opportunities. And this is definitely one that we are currently getting. So this is also on the 4-hour. And I love to see these patterns playing out on the 4-hour or on the daily candles. But the higher the time frame, the more significance it will be showing. So there's there's a possibility that it is going to break to the downside or to the upside. And of course, I am anticipating a break to the upside because I do think it's more likely to see this playing out. But guys, if we're going to see this break to the upside, this will be a target of 61.3k here. And this will be, of course, also pushing us to a new all-time high. So basically, I'm not going to say that we're going to go towards this level. I will basically say the breakout target of this pattern is the previous all-time high, because the previous all-time high, of course, major resistance. And I do want to be seeing this level getting broken as well here. So this is a level that I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to see this level getting broken, guys. And if we're going to move to the downside, this will be a target of 55.7k. And of course, that's quite a bearish target. But still, even though if we're going to break to the downside, I definitely think we're probably creating a bigger pattern, because if you look at this here, you can also draw this this supportive line here from the lower sides, and I think still the market is basically looking very strong, even though if we're going to see this move down getting created, because then we are basically forming this upper sloping support line, very strong, probably going to find some support on it, and it looks also like that we are forming a slightly downward sloping resistance line then. So then there's a possibility for an even bigger symmetrical triangle here. But for the moment, I'm not looking to that particular scenario, because I do think it is more likely to first break to the upside. But guys, even though if we're going to break to the downside, I will be looking to, I mean, yeah, the breakdown target is 55.7k here, 55.9k. But I will be looking to enter a little bit lower, because I think this level over here is the very important level that you can be entering, and it also will provide us a very good support. So if we're going to touch it, definitely accumulating, but not really anticipating it. So if you want to trade this one, you want to trade the breakout, in my opinion, because yeah, it can still go either direction. You can create a wick on both sides, so wait for confirmation and don't rush into anything here. So then I will be also flipping onto the MACD here, because guys, if I just go to the 1 hour, just going a little bit into the lower time frames, because I also want to discuss the lower time frames for you guys, because you guys seem to love it. And this is, of course, about the immediate short term. So for the immediate short term, the 1 hour is right now forming a bullish crossover on the MACD. So this is looking like that we are definitely going to create some more volatility to the upside. And of course, that is good to see. Also, we broke this downward sloping resistance line channel. And if I go to a different chart real quickly, if I go to this chart over here, and you can see we were forming a pretty steep downward sloping resistance line here, and since we were breaking through it, of course, right now it looks like that we are, at least in the immediate short term, in the minor time frames, we are reversing the trend. And definitely what I think what we're going to see here is some kind of a move to the upside here. So we're probably going to move to the upside once again, and if we're going to see this move to the upside getting created, of course, we will be also seeing maybe a breakout to the upside as well here. So the lower time frames are showing us buy signals, at least, yeah, bullish crossover on the MACD. And also finally, the momentum to the downside is finally cooling off. But let's then go into Ethereum, because Ethereum, of course, also showing very interesting things, guys. If I look to the 4-hourly time frame of Ethereum, you can see the symmetrical triangle, aka ascending triangle. It really depends on which time frame you're looking at. But on the 4-hour, we are seeing a clear symmetrical triangle getting formed. And guys, look at these rejections over there. You can see multiple times we try to break through here. And you know the rhythm, you know the more times we are testing a certain level of support or resistance, we're more likely to smash through here. So definitely looking forward to see where we are heading towards. I think it is looking very good. And I also think... yeah, once we're, of course, probably right now heading to the downside, probably heading towards this supportive level over here. If we're reaching that level, I definitely think that we can be maybe finding some support. And if I flip on even also the email ribbon, guys, for hourly email ribbon is right now also providing Ethereum the support where we are trading at right now. So I definitely think maybe if we're hitting this level over here, this will be, of course, our level that we're probably going to find some support at. And if we're going to bounce from here on, definitely heading towards higher levels. And of course, this breakout will be here before the 9th of April. So that's exactly another 2 days at maximum before seeing this breakout completely going, of course, to the upside. Because I also think this is once again a very bullish scenario. We are seeing the Ethereum price going surging to the upside, consolidating, and after bullish consolidation, it's more likely to see another leg up getting created. And of course, we are also almost in price discovery once again. So that's my reason to believe that Ethereum is definitely going to create another leg up here, guys. And hey, also, if I just go to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, it is just only giving me more and more signs that we're definitely heading towards these higher levels. Because you can once again see, if I set up this gray box over here, you can see that we are just finding very good support at previous resistance. And this is, of course, a thing that I love to see here. And also, yeah, we were discussing this level multiple times here, but guys, still everything is looking all right. Still, I think we're heading towards this top of this previous line over here. And this will be still, of course, an increasement of an approximately 30% move to the upside. So I mean, if you right now want to get exposed to Ethereum, it looks like a good time to get exposed to Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, because it looks like that Ethereum is just going to show more strength in the coming days compared to Bitcoin. So that is my reason also why I was buying into Ethereum already over here, because I was saying this on the channel. It was just looking very good, and yeah, it's definitely looking very strong. And also the Bitcoin dominance, guys, it keeps getting falling. It's not stopping anytime soon here. It looks like the altcoins are still dominating the market right now. And of course, we were discussing these important levels that we're probably going to hold on to. And right now we're finally forming a green candle on the Bitcoin dominance. I mean, I say finally, but at the end of the day, I want to see it only being red here because I love altcoins. But yeah, what you're currently having here, there's a possibility that we're maybe curving to the upside here. And this, of course, will be happening if Bitcoin will be pumping to a new all-time high. I think the Bitcoin dominance will be bouncing back here, because first the Bitcoin price will be only going up, and after that the altcoins will be generally seeing the most significant increase in price. But yeah, let's see what it will be doing here, because if Bitcoin is going to set a new all-time high, of course, it will be dragging the market all along, but still think that the market dominance can be bouncing back a little bit to the upside. But if we're going to see something like this, guys, perfect retest of the previous resistance, this will be, of course, one of the most loveliest scenarios that I want to be seeing here, because this will be providing us the confirmation of the breakdown and, of course, the confirmation of the alt season being here. So let's see what the Bitcoin dominance will be doing here. But guys, thank you so much for watching to this quick update here. Just quickly making this updates, guys. Let me know if you love them. Probably going to do more short updates today. And, of course, later today I will be doing a live stream. So if you're looking forward to it, make sure to also subscribe to the channel, because we're very close to reach the 31K subscribers. So only 20 more. So let's see if we can do it live today. Would be, of course, very amazing. So we'll be checking you guys in another video later today. So, peace out.